Morning. Hi, this is Travis from the National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, November 4th. We will look to continue to see record and near record high temperatures today through Friday, but that will all change. It looks like Saturday into Sunday as a upper level low from the Pacific looks to move through our area, and then it will bring some really cold temperatures behind it, moving into the area Sunday and continue through early next week. There does look like another system Tuesday into Wednesday that can bring mostly mountain snow across the area. Looking at the matrix, we are looking at breezy winds, like I said, today through Friday, with Friday being the strongest winds, good southerly winds for our southern region. And then as that system, that upper level low, moves through Saturday and Sunday, we continue to see breezy winds, but we'll look to continue to see some mountain snow, 6 to 12 inches in the Central Mountains Island Park area, and then potential for some snow into the valley areas. Mainly in our upper Snake Plain, 1 to 2 inches with a trace, maybe up to half an inch elsewhere for our lower elevations. And then as you look at the satellite imagery, you see we continue to be dominated by high pressure. The system is going to move across our area. Still in Alaska, you can't see it here, but it will move in and move that high pressure out, and that looks to move right over us again Saturday evening into Sunday. Thursday's forecast continue to see that really warm temperatures across the area. We'll look to see, we had 3 records today, potentially looking at more records. 3 records yesterday, and potentially see more records today, even into Friday. Friday looks like a really good chance of records as well. Here's our low humidities across the area. That's improved a little bit over yesterday, but it still will be quite low, near critical. We did see a couple of fires the last couple of days, and we continue to be so dry that potentially could continue to see a couple of fires, particularly today before humidities start to really rise, particularly by Saturday. I think 60s even percent-wise, so they move up quite heavily with the precip of the next system Saturday and Sunday. So here's our Friday temperature forecast. I potentially see this moving up, even up to as high as 5 degrees more. We have a good southerly wind. Models aren't quite showing that yet, but could see those temperatures even go a little bit higher. And if they do, we could start seeing actually more records, if not monthly records for November, potentially on Friday, as we get a good southerly wind out ahead of that next system. Here's Saturday's temperatures. You see they do drop by a good 20 degrees across the area as highs. And then as you look into Sunday, they drop even more, barely looking above freezing. And as you look into Mondays and Tuesdays, they don't really even get above freezing, particularly Monday for those highs. And then here's our total precip snow amounts. You can see for our lower areas, just a trace to half an inch, and then you can see our mountain areas, 6 inches to 12 inches, particularly higher amounts over in the Island Park area. This is still a lot of uncertainty here due to just when the temperatures move in with that cold front Saturday night into Sunday. Could just continue to see all rain. It does look like we'll get good precip. We have at least 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 inch for our valley areas, but again, a lot of that is going to be rain. Our mountain areas look to be 1/4 inch of precip up to an inch, with some areas getting an inch and a quarter potentially as far as total precip QPF with this storm. Monday continues to be quite low temperatures. You can see below 20, and those cool temperatures will continue through early next week. And so there's just a summary. We're going to continue to see that really warm temperatures through Friday, and then those temperatures will drop pretty quick Saturday and Sunday as that next system moves in. Next system looks to be pretty moist as well, bringing a good chance of precip across the area. Some good mountain snow, 6 to 12 inches, particularly the Central Mountains and Island Park area, and then along the Wyoming border in the mountain areas. And then much cooler temperatures than what we've been seeing. Good 10 to 15 degrees below normal as we go into early next week. And then we have another system Tuesday into Wednesday, bringing some looks like moderate snow at this point, but still quite a bit ways out there. So anyway, this concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call. These numbers here are listed. Have a good day. Thanks.